Hey everyone, this is Brody the Ford Taurus fan 2001 here. Today I have one very special treat. Here I am to present to you this 1999 Volvo WG dump truck. And today I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour and walk under the WG dump truck. I can't start it because it doesn't start in the cold weather, so I'll show the engine and show you the interior and the exterior of the dump truck. Very windy outside, so without further ado, let's start her up. Or I can't start it, and we'll see what it's like. I can't start it. It's a red exterior. With gray leather interior. Like I said, I can't start it because it's been sitting for 2 months, so it's a 13-speed manual transmission, neutral. It's very hard to shift. So anyways, I'm going to show the interior. Horn doesn't work. It's got manual windows, but it's very hard to roll down. Your parking brakes right here. But I don't think the parking brake works, but just leave that. Your turn signals. And I can't tell where the hazards are, so I'll just leave everything for now. Like I said, the horn doesn't work. So anyways. Oh, there's my Uncle John.
Oh, wow. This is high.
Yeah. Like I said for the 3rd time, horn doesn't work.
No.
Now I'll review the exterior. This is my first time ever to do a Volvo, but sadly I couldn't start it because it's been sitting for 2 months. RT3 18 tires. Anyways, I might not be able to pop the hood either because or maybe I will. Can't tell where the hood release is. can't tell. Anyways, I might not be able to open the hood. What?
No, yeah, don't open up like that. That's heavy. They tip it back. You can't open it up.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's how you open the hood?
Yes. Yeah. You open it, and then they're very heavy to tip forward. With the wind, it might not make it.
That's how it works? Okay. Very simple. Just gonna have to leave that. She doesn't start in the cold weather, so continue with the tour. So I believe this might be a 12 liter or something. Okay. A little bit hard to open, but anyways. There we go. Bit heavy, but that's how it opens, so. Gotta put everything back on. Now I'll review a bit more interior. So like I said, manual windows, manual everything. Pretty basic. Okay. So that's the ignition right here. Both. Let's see if this key works too. Yeah, it works. Okay. And that's your speaker right here. Can't run. Show you the turn signals. Anyways, so this got a 2-spoke wheel. So the horn doesn't work. None of that stuff. Manual locks, manual everything. Pretty basic. Alarm doesn't go off or anything. So let's lock the rest of the doors before we come to the conclusion.
I don't know if it works or not.
Yeah, it works. Let's see if the other doors is locked. Nope, the other door is not locked. It's not shut properly.
That lock. That. Yeah, that.
It still opens. It doesn't lock properly.
Watch the key down.
Okay, it's locked. It doesn't shut properly. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this full tour on this 1999 Volvo WG dump truck. And I apologize that I can't start it because it's been sitting for 2 months. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the full tour, and goodbye.